in Vegas, as you all know, and I'm here. We just ended the leadership conference, and guess what? They just announced that you can start right now for, guess what? Not $199, not $75, but zero down for the next 2 weeks. And this means for zero down, when you submit 750 in sales, they're going to send you out the kit. Yes, you're going to get the kit that's valued at over $650, but that's not all. When you submit 750 in sales, you are going to be able to get the kit. They're also going to send you out a 6-quart stock pot. But our most popular item, they just reached 1 million in selling in the last 5 years. They're going to send you out the high power blender with 1,500 in sales. Yes, 1,500 in sales, and you're going to get the high power blender. And to boot, you're going to get me. You all love me so much, right? Your Princess House Patty, love. So start right now. Next 2 weeks, sell 1,500 in sales, and you are going to get all of this above, plus me. So reach out to me, Patty Lynch, independent consultant. Sign below. I'm going to put the link below. Patty Lynch, www.princesshouse.com/P Lynch. Talk to you soon. And remember that I believe in you, and you should believe in yourself. Bye-bye.